Let's talk about Getaround Hyrecar. They're shutting down U.S. ops.
Yeah,
Dun, dun, dun. So if you've been using Getaround Hyrecar, you're not anymore.
yeah, yeah. They're in Europe too, so they're staying around in Europe.
Yeah.
But they are shutting down, and luckily there are other choices, which we'll talk about in the next few weeks. If you're renting, to us, according to Getaround, they're saying despite significant improvement in overall profitability. By the way, Getaround, either Hyrecar or Getaround went public actually last year. And extensive restructuring efforts, the company has faced an ongoing lack of liquidity, which has made U.S. operations no longer viable, their CEO said. I don't know how many of you are using Getaround or Hyrecar, but no longer. They're going to be servicing their clients, and they're demanding that the cars be returned ASAP. But there are other choices, right? There are choices like Zipcar and things like that, which I know you talk about. So you get into that.
What's up?
You want to talk about what other choices drivers may have as far as besides Getaround, besides.
Yeah, I mean, Zipcar is great, especially for short-term rentals. If you're going to be doing something like a long-term rental, it's definitely not worth it. But short-term rentals, it is because that's what they're designed for. So, if your car is going in for service, or you want to try a car out or something, you can do that and still drive Uber for it. So, Zipcar is definitely an option, especially if you're using Getaround or Hyrecar. Zipcar's probably the next best solution, because now it's the only solution. I'm sure there's other cars out there that are, things, but yeah, you can check out Zipcar.
Yeah, check out Zipcar. There is one other company that I heard about that you can actually drive multi-platforms with that, just like Hyrecar and Getaround. Drive Whip. We're looking into it. There are some drivers in our community, especially in Florida region, that are using it. They can use the cars. They're mostly Teslas too, and include insurance, and cheaper than a Hertz, and you can use it for multiple platforms. So we're looking into that for you guys. I know one of our Vinny, I think in Florida, is using one currently and is very happy with the service. And they're not in California yet, but I think when these companies fall aside, you need to figure it out, especially if you're renting it, because doing it through Avis or doing it through Hertz, you're just stuck with one app. You don't want that.
Yep. Okay. And you wouldn't want to do that anyway, with the fees and all that. If you could own your own car, it's definitely going to be a lot better. But like I say, if you have a problem where you got to go take your car in, maybe you're going to be without your car for a couple of days because of maintenance, whatever it might be. That is a great way to actually continue driving even with no car. So definitely check that out. But other than that, I would not suggest renting.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.